State part design is values behavior can change when its internal state changes. We can encode a state into type system in Rust. Let's create a module mode social. In this module, let's create a public structure post. This structure will have one field content, type is string. Let's create another public structure draft post. Also have one field content, its type is string. Let's implement a method on this post structure. First, let's add a public associate function. New. We will use this new function to create an instance of this draft post. So its returning type is draft post, and we'll return a draft post instance. Content field, we will give it an empty string new. Let's add another method on this post, public content. We will use this method to get the content value from the post instance. So it will take one parameter is $self. Returning type is $str. And this will return $self.content. Let's add a method on this draft post impl draft post. First, let's add a method public add text. We will use this add text method to add the value to this content field in this draft post. So it will take two parameters. First is mute self, because we will change this content value, so it should be mutable. Second is text parameter. Type is $str, and this function will return nothing. In this function body, we will add the self content. We'll use the push str method to add the new text value to this content field. Let's add another public structure, pub structure pending review post. In this structure, we'll have one field, its content type also is string. Now back to our impl draft post block, we will add another method. It's pub request review. We will use this request review method to change from this draft post to this pending review post. So its returning type is pending review post. In this method body, it will return pending review instance, and content value, we will give it the value of this instance of this draft post. So it will take a parameter is self, and this self is not a reference, so it will take the ownership of the instance of this draft post. So we give it the value self.content to this content in this pending review post instance. And let's implement a method on this pending review post structure. We will give it a public function approve, and we will use this method to change this from pending review post to the post. So it will take a parameter itself. This self will take the ownership of the instance of this pending review post. Returning type is post. In this method body, will return a post instance, and the content field we will give it a self.content So we will assign this content field value from this pending review post to this content field in this post instance. Let's go to main function. Let's use a new function from this post to create a new instance of this draft post. So let's create a variable mute post equal to post new. This new function from post will create a new instance of draft post. So you can say the post type is draft post, and we implement add text method on this draft post structure. So in this post instance, we can use add text method to add a text value to this content field in this instance. So let's add a value hello. This post is still type of the draft post because we didn't implement any method in this draft post to get the content value from this instance. So we can't show the content value of this post, but we can use the request review method on this post to change this draft post to the pending review post. Let's create a variable post and give it the same name post. This post variable will shadow this post variable equal to post the request review. This method will change this post from draft post type to this pending review post type. And in this pending review post, we also didn't implement any method to show the content from this pending review post instance. So we need use the approve method on this post to change this from pending review post to the post. So let's create another variable post, and this give it the same name post, and this post name also will shadow this post variable equal to post the approve. This approve method will change this post from pending review to the post. So you can see this post type is post. And we implement the content method on this post to get the content value from this post instance. So let's use println method to print out the content value post the content. In our terminal, let's cargo run. You can see it will print out hello in our terminal. This is how we encode state into type system in Rust. Hope to see you next time.